The introduction of a 5-axis machine tool to your manufacturing process adds 2 additional rotary axes of control to the tool axis during the machining process. Using 5-axis machining can help minimize issues associated with multiple setups, poor cutting conditions, and interference with the machine or tool, which can occur during part manufacturing. To help with this, Fusion 360 has a range of tool axis definition options which can be predefined during the CAM programming process, simplifying your workflows and resulting in quicker success. Here we're going to look at how a tool axis can be defined orientated from a point. This often works well on concave formed part shapes which have an approximate rotational center such as this mold insert. Let's start by looking at the steep and shallow toolpath, which is machining the cavity detail area of the insert using a vertical tool axis. Investigating further, we can see that in the lower regions there's a tool holder interference with the part. While we could choose to extend the length of the tool for clearance, this may affect the surface finish and tool wear in an undesirable way due to the cutting conditions being less than optimum and tool vibration being introduced. By defining a different tool axis, we resolve issues like this, as well as create better cutting conditions, allowing clearance for the tool holder in addition to keeping the shorter and more rigid tool length during the machining process. Let's now look at the third toolpath and review the tool axis settings. We can see that the primary mode is set to from point, with the guide point being defined as a point located at the top of the part. This point position was created within the design workspace as a sketch and can be moved to adjust the tool axis angle as needed. When using this method of a tool axis definition, the cutting tool tip will be orientated from the point you have selected throughout the toolpath, allowing for a controlled tool axis motion. Let's simulate this toolpath and verify that the tool now does align from the point we have selected, as it machines down the part, thus creating the needed clearance for the tool holder, all the while keeping the shorter tool that is needed for better surface finish quality and reduction of tool wear. With a proven and easy to use library of defined methods for tool axis control, Fusion 360 allows you to simply and safely program the rotary axis of your 5-axis machine, increasing your manufacturing success and productivity.